This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Solana. So Solana, I observed setting up um, based on its position here on the 15-minute. Set up here at the R3 Camarilla pivot point. So that got my attention as far as in location of where I would like to take a trade based on the or using the Camarilla pivot system, which is incorporated into my trading system. The R3 Camarilla pivot would trigger a potential short down to an S3 level. But we'll do a top-down analysis on Solana. So here on the weekly, we have here, this was the previous strong low, this being the previous week high. We can see in this area that there's been a market structure shift here that brought the current strong low or the previous strong low from the one before down to here, and we can see that Solana tested this strong low area and then rejected and came back up for a retest of the what was the previous strong low, and we can see that test taking place here, or at least this area here being displayed by this displacement here on the 4-hour. And we can see here on the 15-minute the R3 Camarilla pivot that it's set up near. Also, we have the opening range here. Will come up. And using volume price analysis, I set the opening range based on these two candles here. Having the highest volume in the pre-market of yesterday's open, with this being the high here and this being the low. We can see this being the opening candle here. Solana sold off below R3 and this opening range at the open, pull back to test this range area, pull back in to test, got about halfway or a little over halfway through the range, and then began selling back through R3 and the range, and then never retested the range, just sold through, and I was able to take profits down here at the S3 level here. So this trade idea all together, and you can see it down here on the 4-hour, basically coming in and sweeping this liquidity that was down here. This sell side liquidity basically is what was swept in this trade idea. And all in all, this trade idea came up to be around about a 3-to-1 reward to risk ratio on this trade idea. Ideally, I want to see 4-to-1s or better, but the way that the market has been trading lately, I'll definitely take 3-to-1s. A lot of things have been struggling to move, or if they do move, they don't move far before they turn back around. But this was my trade today on Solana, and this is On Tilt Trading. We'll see you next time.